Alrighty, brothers and sisters, boys and girls, today Bitcoin seems like it's recovering. It seems like it's found a bottom finally. Now we can see this recovery exactly following the plan that I've laid out a few days ago on YouTube and Twitter. It seems like this plan now is playing out, which means we might see higher prices. So we're going to talk about that on today's video, as well as we got Pepe now rallying, which means it's going to lead all the other meme coins with it, which possibly could do another meme coin season is maybe on the horizon right now. And we also are gonna talk about Brett, which seems like it might as well be locally bottoming here. So with no further ado, let's get on today's video. And as usual, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And remember, nothing is financial advice. As usual, the show is for entertainment and some education. Now, guys, here it seems like we've got some bullish news as the US unemployment rate edges up and hiring is slowing down more than expected, which means the Feds are going to be forced to start cutting rates, printing money and all that. The machine will come back to the office. The machine that prints the money that pumps our lovely coins is coming back. And that's why Bitcoin is rallying today, as people are speculating on that. Now, as I've been saying, guys, possibly this year, this summer, we are going to see some sort of a meme coin season, although I'm still expecting Bitcoin to just keep ranging here. And this would be the time where we are expecting the Feds to bring the machine back to the office, which is very bullish for altcoins in general. And we all know when we talk about altcoins now, we mean meme coins, as they are now the biggest gainers, the top gainers, the guys that are gonna make most of the gains. Now, today we got also Pepe rallying. Now we're gonna talk quickly about Pepe on the charts here, as I know many of you here are holding Pepe, following my channel. Now I do think this 9 level here, right? This multiple zeros, 9 on Pepe is gonna be some sort of a resistance on the short term, but as soon as this is cleared out, then happy days, new highs on Pepe, as the ship is still on its way to the moon. We still have higher targets. I do think I still have the moon somewhere here. Yeah, so we got the moon here around that 0001, which basically is gonna be around 40 billion, $50 billion market cap on Pepe, which we are expecting, which as well now we're waiting for Pepe to get to that $10 billion in its market cap, which is gonna be the shocker that's gonna send all the other meme coins to the stratosphere, as this gonna be that moment, right, where everyone is gonna finally understand that meme coins are gonna be the biggest gainers, which is gonna be around the end when usually those things happen, when people finally start to believe. That's why now it's very important to stay calm, get onto the dips, have a watch list, build up a thesis around some strong meme coins. You can watch my yesterday's video for that, and just stay calm, right? Now we can see, as usual, people sold the lows, people were bearish here, people were calling again for lower prices, for Bitcoin going to 50k to 40k or something like that. And now it's recovering today, as usual, guys. Now we can see this keeps playing out even with Bitcoin. People sell the lows, people like to buy the highs. But now we have one problem with Bitcoin, is that we still needed to clear this 67k level. This is important, as this is the strongest level. But now if Bitcoin really does that and flip it, then new highs on Bitcoin. But the most important, we don't really need it to really do that now. We just want it to really keep ranging. When it keeps ranging like this is usually very bullish for altcoins, meme coins and all that. So if we look at that BT coin dominance, now this is the thing that really shows where the money is at right now, right? So possibly this thing is topped around 57%. Now it's gaining back as Bitcoin now is rallying, but Pepe is following. Now you can see meme coins have been holding so strong with that dip, and they are bouncing the hardest on this dip. Now probably the XRP boys right now are in tears looking at Pepe rallying and the Bitcoin dominance rallying, and XRP is not doing much, or I don't know what other coin, utility coin. Like today we've seen Friend Tech launching their coin and dumping straight away. VC is doing their thing as usual. So now this is one of the things we want to be looking at, but you can see now when Bitcoin is ranging, Bitcoin dominance kind of slows down, which gives room for meme coins to rally. So that's another thing to be looking at. Now when it comes to Brett coin on base, it looks like it might have found a bottom, right? So the plan was that it's gonna drop 70 or 80% from the high highs, which is done 70%. Now it's gonna keep ranging here for a long time, right? It's gonna keep ranging here for a long time before a rally. So we possibly have some sort of a bottom here. Same thing with Book of Meme, also recently super hyped up coin. You can see Book of Meme is kind of stronger right now, stronger than Bread. You can see it's rallying now, it's bouncing stronger, and also same thing, it's gonna possibly be ranging here. Maybe we're gonna see its first break-in before Bread. It's very likely that this breaks out before Bread. As we all know, it's already on Binance, one of the biggest exchanges, and backed by, you know what, the big teams, the big boys up there. So I do think most of the strongest meme coins are gonna be the one recovering faster. Now we got Dog, we have Bonk, Floki, Book of Meme as usual. Now it's the most undervalued coin and the top coins here. Well, we got something interesting now. Grok, that I've been talking about recently, right now is up 63% recently. And if we look at the chart on Grok, now Grok is also up pretty nice. Now Grok is also bouncing from that support that we see here. And if you want to know more about Grok coin, you can watch my yesterday's video or any video where you see in the thumbnail there is a Grok logo. I do think this is going to be one of the biggest gainers. Now the market is slowly catching on it. Now we can see it slowly climbing. Now it's coming below that snake, which is the top meme coin on Cardano, which I'm bullish on as well. Now we got Ladies not doing much, but usually Lady is a slow runner. She's a lady, right? She doesn't really move fast. She waits for the boy to make the move first. But I'm still bullish on Ladies. Also Arbdoge a bit lagging here with this Bitcoin pump. But as long as Pepe is running, Pepe is pumping, this is all good news for us here. Holding meme coins, this is all good news. If you are holding any other meme coin here, the plan is still the same. We are waiting for the bull market, right? For the peak euphoria, peak hype, peak everything. As I keep saying, this is not peak hype. We are still now, each time Bitcoin goes here, people call for 1 million bull market, Bitcoin goes back here, people start selling, panicking, thinking that's it, it's the bear market, we're going down. So as long as we have these things going on, this is not the top. So we're still going higher. And this means all the strong meme coins that we look at right now, the ones that we're bullish on, still got a long way ahead of them, a long way. Now yesterday I talked about also about Vita Inu. Vita Inu is holding strong still around that 18 million. Now this is a low cap gem. Do think this can be the next Floki. Still holding also in this recent dip. Right now I've seen recently some noise around Byte, which is basically the Grok dog, the digital dog, or Grok is an AI, the Elon Musk AI, and Byte somehow it's dog, right? They asked it and Byte is its dog. Now I would think this would act as a beta to Grok, as now Grok is slowly gaining. Possibly now a lot of people are looking at it and slowly is gonna keep gaining. You keep an eye on it. I'm still holding. We got into it this a bit early, but I do think this got a way long way to go, right? So this could be the shocker, the next shocker after Pepe. So maybe Byte is the beta to it, right? So Byte is the beta to it. I'm not getting into it yet. I'm just mentioning it here. But Vita Inu, I'm only in onto that I think this is the next Floki and it's holding strong. So these are the meme coins I'm still holding. I'm still accumulating. I do think these are gonna be those big gainers. Toshi, I do think this is my favorite coin on Coinbase. I do think this is gonna be possibly the top meme coin on the Coinbase chain. We'll see with Brad. Now recently we've seen as well the Pepeverse coins like Pepe and Andy and all the Land Wolves and all those other coins. They seem to be doing better on the ETH chain. So we'll see how Brett acts. As I said, Brett still has a decent shot at pulling new all-time highs, maybe going to that 1 billion, 2 billion. But I do think Toshi would do more than that, and also lower market cap and less noise around it, less fall and all that. Anyways, guys, plan still the same as you can see now. I hope you stayed calm when I told you guys this dip is just a dip. Stay calm, behave in orderly fashion. We're not going down yet. This is not it. We're still gonna go higher. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. You can follow me on Twitter. I keep you updated daily there. You can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join, and I really appreciate you clicking on this video, watching it till the end. We're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.